very successful at it, they don't let reps, first of all, you're dealing with people, most of the time you're dealing with, there are nuances. We're not trying to make people robots, but the bottom line is, you make an investment, you work a system well, and a certain amount spits out. In the companies that are really superior, there is a method to their madness, and they do expect reps within certain parameters to work their system. They don't allow reps to bet with their money, okay? So if you want to come into our company, here's our expectations, here's our roadmap as to how we prospect, how we conduct first meetings, how we deliver proposals. Within certain parameters, you have to stay close to our system. They do not, as to the point you're saying, they inspect things. For the reps' benefit, they do not let them get off course because they know what works.
Right, I like that. What was the phrase you said? They don't bet with their money. Is that what you said? I like that.
Yeah. So you think of, in essence, what we're doing here, my point about, hey, we're working probabilities, we're placing bets, based upon what we know about list responsiveness, based upon what we know about scripting in terms of what people respond. We work, we put our time and money into certain areas. In essence, we're placing bets. So, we want to place the best bet possible. We want to increase the probability that we're going to get the result that we seek. And if you have a rep that is not working that system, in essence, you're letting them bet with your money. And, we know how typically that ends up. So people want to bet. They have to bet within our rules. They spend their own money to waste.
I like that.